But this movement from a law that governs embodied persons to a fiction called law that attempts to govern individuals' changeable states of mind does not affect only those who refer to themselves as trans. By ejecting the body from law, every individual's legal identity rests not on the reality of his or her given embodied existence, but instead on his or her selected gender identity. Our legal identity as male or female in this brave new world is not who we are, it is what we have chosen. The full consequences of this sort of existential voluntarism at the ground level of the law are unknowable, yet if Nietzsche is to be fully vindicated, they will include a will to power frightful in its impact on the weak and vulnerable. When Judith Butler, the intellectual guru of the trans movement, channels Nietzsche and states that there is no doer before the deed, no person or subject before his or her performative utterance, she is intimating that women as a distinct class should be removed from social understanding, and so ipso facto, from the law. Whatever one makes of the merits of feminist identity politics as a whole, to deny that women are a legal class distinct from men is to erase the female body from social, legal, and political consideration. This is deeply problematic for a whole host of reasons, including, but not limited to, legislating on and healing from sexual assault, whose perpetrators are disproportionately male, researching and treating women's distinctive nutritional, medical, and pharmaceutical needs, promoting the proven merits of single-sex educational and sports programs, and creating authentic solutions for those who seek flexible work arrangements in order to prioritize family obligations, the vast majority of whom continue to be women. Feminism only makes sense if one takes seriously the sexed body and the reproductive asymmetry inherent therein. Women's bodies have the capacity to gestate newly created, vulnerable human beings. Men's bodies do not. This reality of reproductive asymmetry and the serious consequences that can flow from it are the raison d'être of feminism. Each form of feminism seeks to answer the question of how society ought to respond to reproductive asymmetry, given the shared goal of women's authentic freedom and equality. Erika Bachiochi.